Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to continue recording a draft on TikTok. So if you want to continue recording a draft, edit a draft on TikTok, the only thing you need to do is go to the application of TikTok here, and after that you need to go to your profile. Here in your profile you need to go to draft. So here you got I got three drafts. I pick here in the draft, and for example, I got this. And if you want to, continue recording, you got here the draft, and the only thing you need to do is go to the superior left corner. And here you got the option, you pick in the red button, and you can continue, edit and recording that draft. So after that, and the only thing you need to do to post that draft after you finish the recording, you pick in next, and you can post that draft now like a video on TikTok. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.